Hello children, today I'm going to do a science experiment with you to make a volcano. Actually what we're really making is carbon dioxide. That's the fizzy gas that you get in Coke or fizzy drinks. And to make this gas we add a salt to an acid, and we need a flask, a jar of water, vinegar, that's your acid, some food colouring, just so it makes it more interesting, and bicarbonate of soda. This is the salt or the base. So, into my jar, and if you haven't got one like this, you could perhaps get a bottle like this one. That might make a good volcano. I'm going to half fill it with water. Then I'm going to put 2 good spoonfuls of the bicarbonate of soda. You might find this in Mummy's kitchen because it's used especially in making breads and cakes. It makes the bread rise. Give it a good stir. And you'll notice I've got some kitchen paper underneath to catch any drips. You could use just sheets of newspaper, but certainly don't do it on a good surface. Use a tray or something that you can wash clean afterwards. And then I'm going to add some vinegar into my small jar. Vinegar. And about 5 drops of red food colouring. And I'm going to use this little pipette to soak it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need to make sure that that's mixed, so I'll give that a little stir. Now then, I'm going to pour some of the acid into this one. I can do it with the pipette if I've got one. Oh, you can see it fizzing already, or I can just gently pour it. Oh, look at my volcano coming over the top. Isn't that good? All the lovely bubbles of carbon dioxide. Now, if you've got a larger vessel, like this one, again, you need to fill it half full. Think a bit more to get to half. And I need to put in, now getting the bicarbonate of soda in through the little hole is not very easy. Whoops, in it goes. It's a big jar, so I better put plenty. Now, my spoon won't go in, but the handle will. So, turn it round and mix it well. I think it needs a bit more. Let's put some more in. And let's give it another stir. Now, I'll just put a bit more vinegar in there so there's a bit more. Right, now, let's see if it works in this jar. Whoa. But it's made a pretty colour. Oh, here come the bubbles. Can you see the bubbles coming up? Let's see if I can pour it in like I did last time. Oh, here comes the volcano. Whee! Over the top and down the sides. Right, so this volcano's gone back to sleep. This one's still fizzing. Lots and lots of bubbles of carbon dioxide. That's quite fun, but do make sure that you do it on a surface that you're not going to harm, and you put plenty of either newspaper or kitchen paper down. Bye, children. Have fun.